Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, back in the office. Yesterday was a travel day for me. Sorry there was no webcast. But it's really the same story that we've been talking about now for going on, over 5 sessions. We're consolidating. We're consolidating in a wide enough range where you get some good trades every day. But we are consolidating. So going back, really going back to July 23rd. You've seen a look at the daily mid-band. That was the low from Tuesday. That got rejected. The 9-day here, the blue line, has held the last couple of days. And your high of the moment is 44.22.5. But really, it's just a box. And they're trying to decide, what's the next leg of the tape? Are we taking it up towards the 44.50 area? Are we going to pull it back a little deeper? Maybe go back to, 43.50. Go challenge the lows from the 21st down at 43.10. Get back to the lower Bollinger Band, the area of the 50, which is closer to 4,300. It's all on the table right now, and the longer we battle things out, the bigger a move you're going to get, because you're going to start to get some real compression. We've been doing this now for 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, call it 10 sessions. You do it for another 10. And you're going to have some very tight bands, even if the daily ranges stay wide, like they have been. This is the narrowest daily range we've seen in a while. Hourly chart. So for those of you that believe in like that NR7 stuff, if it stays tight today, then you'd be looking at resolution tomorrow. And it's Friday, and I get all that. I try not to focus too much on any one thing. What we have here is you've got your pre-FOMC price locked up around 43.8675, weekly pivot, 9-day, daily pivot, hourly mid right there with the daily pivot. And yesterday, what happened in the afternoon, because you had VWAP and Madon, our proprietary moving average, all that stuff, all jammed in and around the 4,400. And we've talked over the months and years, if you've been following me, that the tape loves to play around with big round numbers like 4,400. And we've seen that every time we've engaged with 4,300, every time we engage with 4,200, just for the recent past. You've seen these concentrations of price even after hopping up over the top and creating highs over those prices, which happened in every one of those situations. So we're back here now. This is the move from Tuesday. This is support at the daily mid-band. And the thing that the bulls did not do with that was they didn't make a higher high. They didn't take out 22.5. They didn't even take out the lower high from Monday, which was 44.1975. They came back up, they printed 17, and they let it come back in. So it's just this big consolidation type of a deal. Lots of moves to weekly pivot this week, but we're heading into Thursday. Soon it will be Friday, and weekly pivot has not established itself yet as reliable support or reliable resistance. And that is the very definition of a lack of control of the tape, a lack of control of price by either side. So what are we looking at today? 4,400 is 4,400. 44.01 is your daily pivot. Hourly midband sitting right there. VWAP 44.02. Proprietary moving average 04.5. 5-minute mid 44.04. You've just seen it try. It tried about 6 o'clock in the morning to convert 07.08. Wasn't able to do it. Brought it all the way back to 44.02. You just saw a couple looks at 44.06. So really 4,400 to 44.04 is an area that's going to have to be battled over. I want to be short below that area. I want to be long above that area. And just let the day play out. These types of days beg you to overtrade. So please do what you can to be efficient. If that means you've got to take a break and step back and say, look, one of the things we do in the room is we put out no trade zones. It's like, look, we're not trading between X price and Z price. We're not going to do it. If it wants to convert that area up or down, that's fine. But in between, we're going to leave it alone. Saves a lot of overtrading, saves a lot of commission, and then you're ready for when the market wants to move. And we've got some big trades out of either side of that. So that's one of the many techniques that we teach people when they come in and join the room. So I have a feeling this day sets up for something like that. If it doesn't, I'll be pleasantly surprised. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come join the room, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.